Hey there, fellow learners and knowledge seekers. Welcome back to our channel, The Great Stories, where we dig deep into the world of education and personal growth. I'm your host, ready to serve you some piping hot tips and tricks to become the best student version of yourself. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 habits of those exceptional, head-turning, good-as-gold students. So, grab your favorite study beverage, sit back, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Now here's the deal. Being a top student goes very much beyond attending classes and completing assignments. It requires hard work, concentration, and dedication. Developing habits can greatly enhance a student's experience. Here are the top 5 habits that every exceptional student should cultivate. 1. Embrace organization. One of the traits of a student is being organized. It involves keeping track of assignments and dates and having all materials for each class in order. Utilizing tools such as an agenda, calendar, and folders can greatly assist students in staying on top of their responsibilities. Setting aside time to sort out notes and study materials will also contribute to success. By being organized, students can reduce stress levels and ensure they never miss deadlines. 2. Master time management. Although it may be tempting to procrastinate at times, adept students understand the importance of managing their time. They allocate periods throughout the day and week to complete assignments and prepare for exams. Effective time management prevents wasted hours or last-minute rushes to finish work on time. Setting reminders and minimizing distractions can optimize study sessions well. Learning to prioritize schoolwork over activities is equally crucial. 3. Take comprehensive notes. Taking notes is essential for success. By transcribing everything, successful students understand the importance of clear and concise note-taking. It's crucial to summarize the ideas and key points during class. Afterward, rewriting these notes reinforces learning. Keeping your notes organized in one place also makes studying more convenient. 4. Practice effective studying. Merely skimming through materials a couple of times is usually insufficient for students. Students develop study habits by dedicating time to review their notes, read textbooks, and prepare for upcoming tests and quizzes. Employing techniques like study groups, practice tests, flashcards, or other methods can greatly enhance retention and understanding. It's best to study in a distraction-free environment while avoiding practices such as last-minute cramming or multitasking before an exam. 5. Stay actively engaged. It's common for students to zone out or daydream during class. However, good students remain actively engaged throughout lessons. They listen attentively, ask questions when confused, and actively participate in discussions. Engaging with professors during office hours, completing practice problems or readings, and displaying enthusiasm for learning are all part of staying engaged in the subject matter. This level of engagement leads to understanding and satisfaction. Developing study habits requires time and dedication and yields significant rewards. To make the most of their experience and achieve their goals, students should prioritize organization, effective time management, comprehensive note-taking, efficient studying techniques, and active engagement in class. These habits and practices not only contribute to academic success but also lay a solid foundation for future career achievements. And there you have it, our top 5 habits of good students, the secret ingredients to academic success and personal growth. From the realm of time management to the sanctuary of self-care, these habits will shape you into the mighty good student you strive to be. So, wrap up your daily battles, dear learners, and adopt these habits like an educational superhero cape. Embrace them with wit, charm, and a sprinkle of rebelliousness, for knowledge truly is power. Watch our other videos. We like to inform and entertain. Until next time, keep shining, stay curious, and remember to never underestimate the power of a good student's habits. Stay awesome and don't forget to subscribe.